Sell your real estate fast for cash today. If you are dealing with a divorce, inherited real estate, foreclosure, tax liens, estate and probate, passing of a loved one, we can help you get a cash offer for your real estate and close the transaction in a matter of days, not weeks, with no banks involved. Pay no realtors commissions and get the highest and best possible offer today. Call Daniel at 305-710-1492. We will buy your house in any condition. If you are not sure about selling as is, or taking the path of renovating your property, let me do a free assessment first, and you will have a clear picture about the costs of repairs, time it will take, and the maximum the property will bring. Now you know. Don't just make a decision. Make an educated one. After learning all your best options, call Daniel at 305-710-1492. 305-710-1492.